So I have ordered this Mr Cleanmr eraser. I saw a really good review on Amazon, and one of my friend also recommended this. So the reason I purchased this is I have a toddler in the house and he tends to mark everywhere on the wall or on the chair. So let me quickly show you first. You can see here is my dining chair, and then look at this crayon marks everywhere. And then in the front of the chair, look at this. This is all ink. So this is a leather chair. So I'm gonna see if product worked on this. And then some of this marker, as you can see here. And then here in my fireplace, as you can see here, it's everywhere. So this is kind of tile. So I'm gonna see if that work on here on the tile. And then here on the door. And I was looking something to help with those crayons and ink. So even though on Amazon it says this Mr. Clean will help to erase all the crayon marks, so that's why I have purchased. And I'm gonna open and see, and guys, I show you the most visible is on my chair. So I'm going to use this on my chair and see if it works. I have a lot of marks on my wall too, but those are not visible, but on a chair is very bad. So let's open and use this. And I forgot to mention that I pay $12.48, and it comes with 10 pads in here, and I pay $12.48. So, and that's how, and these are two of them, so I'm gonna put one back, and the rest you can just read it here. It says used on texture, surface, grill, cooking grates, and car wheel, and the direction is wet, squeeze, and erase. So let's do that. And then squeeze it. Let's use it. Alright, so first I'm going to try it over here on my chair where I have ink marks here. Please work. I don't see it. Nothing is happening. I see this getting dark here, as you can see, but maybe I have to do it a few minutes. Oh, it's getting lighter. A little bit lighter. Oh, it's a quiet work. Okay, so it got lighter, but I guess it's need a lot of patience and work, because it's just getting lighter and lighter, but it's taking so much time. It got lighter, but you know what, just to see a difference, look at this over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to clean with the soap water. So even though with the soap it got lighter, well, actually I used different product here because with the soap didn't work anyways. So I used this so that's why I got this slide over here. This, as you can see here with this Mr Cleanmr eraser, I was able to achieve this. Now I'm going to try on my door, since it didn't work on my chair with the ink stain, and see if that works for the crayon. Here are my crayon on the door. And, oh wow, it does work. Look at this. Works very well for crayon stains or any kind of other stains. If you have on the door, works really good. Look at this, very nice. So here on the wall I have, so let's see if it works on the wall. Let's check this one. Yes, works. It works. Let's try on this tile here. Yes, works. Works really well. So here I'm using this Mr Cleanmr eraser to clean this my black table with the crayon marks. It's pretty easy to clean, but guys, never use this on your black furniture, because as it dries out, this turn into white layers, and those are really hard to clean. So here on this chair I have some ink stains and some crayons. The red ones are for crayons. So let's see if we already know it doesn't work for the ink, but for crayons. Yes, works for the crayon stains. Even though it doesn't say on the box, I read it, it says that it will work on crayon stains pretty well. So it does work, and but not for ink stains. So let me just clear that, guys. If you are buying this of thinking that it will work on all kind of stains, it does not. Especially for the ink one, it does not. It will get lighter, as you can see. This one, it gets lighter, but it does not go away completely, unless maybe you try a little bit every single day. And I haven't tried any of this, so I think it's gonna work what it says. It didn't say about ink stain, but it did say about crayon stain, and it does work. And here I have more crayon stains here, as you can see, on the same chair. See, it does not even take long to get rid of this crayons stain. But this, if you guys know how to deal with this ink stain, please let me know in the comment box. I will appreciate your comments. And I hope this video helped you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I don't have anything else to test it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.